How the United States became the wealthiest and most influential country in the world. 250 years ago, the land that would become the United States was a collection of small colonies on the edge of the world. It had no empire, no global power, and no vast wealth. So how did this nation rise to become the world's largest economy and most influential country on Earth? The answer lies not in one event, but in a powerful sequence of advantages that compounded over time. 1. Agriculture and early wealth creation. America's rise began long before modern industry, with land and agriculture. Vast fertile plains allowed the country to produce food at an unmatched scale. Cotton, in particular, became one of America's first engines of wealth. Cotton fueled textile production, drove exports, and fed the early industrial revolution. With the invention of mechanized weaving and textile machinery, productivity exploded. Agriculture didn't just feed the population, it generated capital, trade power, and early global relevance. Secu geography, built for expansion, the U.S. possessed a rare combination of advantages: massive arable land, abundant natural resources, navigable rivers for low-cost transport, 2 oceans providing natural protection. This allowed the country to grow internally, trade efficiently, and avoid many of the conflicts that slowed others down. Geography didn't guarantee success, but it removed barriers. 3. Immigration and industrial growth. As industry expanded, the U.S. became a magnet for immigrants. Millions arrived with skills, ambition, and a willingness to work. They built factories, railroads, ports, and cities. Immigration supplied labor, entrepreneurship, and innovation, allowing the economy to scale faster than competitors. America wasn't just growing, it was accelerating. 4. World War II, the turning point. The single most decisive moment in U.S. global dominance came after World War II. While Europe and much of Asia were devastated, cities destroyed, industries crippled, the U.S. mainland remained untouched. American factories were intact. Its workforce was ready. Its economy surged while others focused on survival and rebuilding. The U.S. didn't just recover, it financed and led the rebuilding of the world, cementing economic and political leadership. This created a historic gap, one that still shapes global power today. 5. Institutions, capital, and the dollar. With industrial dominance came financial dominance. Strong institutions protected property rights and encouraged investment. Capital markets flourished, and after the war, the U.S. dollar became the world's reserve currency. This positioned America at the center of global trade, finance, and economic stability. Wealth wasn't just produced, it was multiplied. 6. Innovation, education, and influence. America reinvested its wealth into education, research, technology, culture. Universities, corporations, and innovation ecosystems turned ideas into global industries. Influence spread not just through power, but through culture, technology, and opportunity. The big picture. The United States became wealthy and influential because advantages compounded: agriculture and early industry, geography and immigration, institutional trust, and a historic post-World War II head start. It wasn't one reason. It was timing, structure, and momentum working together. And that is why the U.S. remains a central force in the world today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.